Because I did do me. Jamasco. I did not do that. Do me. He was sweet though.
Why? In fact, when I was looking at that girl, he was listening. Oh yes, Malalango.
Hey, life sweet though.
Very
Peace be unto thee.
I just want to preach the gospel to you.
Shut up. The word of who? Can't you say that we are busy? Why do you want to interrupt us?
I don't know. I'm sorry.
Sorry for
I'm
yourself.
sorry. See, let me just give you this. See, you have 7 days to Peace be unto you.
John Bosco. What are you doing?
If I have anything that I will do to that guy that is more than this, that will make him to die now, I will do it.
Has he offended you before?
That guy is a wicked guy. You don't know him.
How?
Know him very well. He's a bunch of pretense.
Sure.
I see him.
Man of God.
Man of Onye. You see, that guy is not even a son of God, not to talk of man of God. The man of God. Oh, man, you see, that guy you are saying so. You know, my sins, I don't pretend. Yes. My own is open. I go to wherever I want to go. I eat whatever I want to eat. I drink what I want to drink. But that guy pretends a lot. I have 10 girlfriends, but he has 20.
Sure. Man of God.
Man of Onye. I can't forget the day that guy fought me because of one pino. The girl was very beautiful. He really fought me because we were dragging the girl. I can't forget that day. You see, that if I drink 10 bottles of alcohol, himself, he finished the whole carton. So the carton is just a starting point for him. Then he is the one coming to tell me the word of what. See, forget that guy. As I say the guy, I know where I'm waiting for him.
Yeah.
The day he will die. I know that my own son will not take him inside the kingdom of God, but I will be at the gate of God. I will be the gate man there. Gate of heaven. I will be the one. Immediately I will see him coming. I'll first of all lock the door where God is so that God will not see him.
Yes.
You know, God is a merciful God. Yes. I will be the one to carry him like this. If I carry him, move. I will go to hellfire and I will be there watching him. I will not go. I will make sure fire will start burning him. He will be shouting, before I'll tell him that is where you belong to. That guy is very, very stupid.
So you are waiting the day you will die.
Yes.
But what of?
You know you now, you are my man. A better place together. I will forgive you.
You will forgive me?
So that we will continue our life there. You don't pin up. That is what you even say the 551.
Okay. And you know the angel will not fight us.
Will not fight us. You see, on that day, I will make sure that guy, God will not see him. Because God, if he enters there, God is a merciful God. Even though, let Angel Michael, Angel Gabriel, they should come. Angel Michael should carry all his whole equipment to come. I will not listen to him. I will disobey because I know I'm a spirit.
But don't die.
Don't die.
Don't die.
I will not die again.
Jumbo. We will just continue. Do me.